Today we're diving into an incredible opportunity that many entrepreneurs and investors are overlooking: the special economic zone in the Canary Islands. The Canary Islands, located off the coast of Africa but part of Spain and the European Union, have established a special economic zone that offers ultra-low taxes, business incentives, and access to European markets, with corporate tax rates as low as 4% compared to the standard 25% in Spain. This is one of the most business-friendly environments in Europe. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, freelancer, or business owner, this video will explore 15 ways you can profit from the special economic zone in the Canary Islands. We'll break down how you can leverage tax advantages, start businesses, invest strategically, and even relocate to take advantage of these benefits. Let's dive in. This is Wealthlocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Number 1. Understanding the ZEC, why it's so lucrative. Before we discuss how to profit, let's break down why the Canary Islands Special Economic Zone, or ZEC, is such a powerful opportunity. The ZEC was created to attract foreign investment, encourage business activity, and create jobs in the Canary Islands. Here's why it's special. Ultra-low corporate tax rate of just 4%, compared to 25% in mainland Spain and 19 to 30% in other EU countries. No withholding taxes on dividends, interest, or royalties paid to non-EU shareholders. VAT, or value-added tax exemptions, which reduce costs significantly for businesses. Access to EU trade agreements while enjoying tax breaks that other European locations can't offer. Now let's discuss how you can turn these advantages into profit. Number 2. Starting a ZEC-registered business for tax benefits. One of the most direct ways to profit from the ZEC is to set up a business that qualifies for the 4% corporate tax rate. Eligible businesses must be in specific industries, including tech consulting, manufacturing, logistics, and more. They need to create at least 5 jobs for companies in Gran Canaria or Tenerife, or 3 jobs for smaller islands. Additionally, they must invest a minimum of 100,000 euros in assets in Gran Canaria or Tenerife, or 50,000 euros in smaller islands. If your business qualifies, you'll instantly reduce your tax burden and increase your profits, making this one of the best locations in Europe to operate a company. Number 3. Setting up a holding company to maximize profits. Another powerful strategy is using the Canary Islands as a base for a holding company. Many large corporations use ZEC-registered holding companies to manage profits efficiently. By setting up a holding company in the ZEC, you can reduce taxation on international earnings through Spain's extensive double tax treaties, eliminate withholding taxes on dividend distributions to non-EU shareholders, legally structure investments in a way that minimizes tax obligations. This is an advanced strategy often used by investors and multinational businesses to maximize profits. Number 4. Relocating a remote business for tax advantages. If you run an online business, consulting agency, or software company, you can relocate your company to the Canary Islands and benefit from the ZEC's low taxes. E-commerce brands, digital agencies, and tech startups can qualify. Freelancers and consultants can operate under a ZEC structure if they hire local employees. Software companies and SaaS businesses can operate remotely while taking advantage of tax savings. If your business is location independent, moving operations to the Canary Islands could save you tens or hundreds of thousands of euros per year in taxes. Number 5. Investing in ZEC-approved businesses. Not everyone wants to start a company, but investing in ZEC businesses can also be highly profitable. Many entrepreneurs move to the Canary Islands and need funding to launch their businesses under ZEC regulations. As an investor, you can fund local startups that benefit from the 4% tax rate. You can also become a silent partner in a growing business while enjoying tax-free dividends. Or you can buy into existing ZEC-registered companies to benefit from tax-efficient profits. If you're a venture capitalist, angel investor, or private equity professional, the ZEC presents exciting opportunities. Number 6. Real estate investment for high returns. The Canary Islands real estate market is booming due to increased foreign investment, digital nomads, and expats relocating to the region. Buying commercial properties and leasing them to ZEC-registered businesses can generate high rental yields. Short-term rental investments are in high demand, with tourism thriving. Luxury developments attract wealthy entrepreneurs who relocate for tax benefits. Combining real estate investment with a ZEC-registered business allows you to legally reduce capital gains taxes while profiting from property appreciation. Number 7. Running an import-export business with ZEC Benefits. The Canary Islands' strategic location between Europe, Africa, and the Americas makes it a prime spot for logistics and trade businesses. The ZEC allows for lower customs duties and VAT exemptions for imported and exported goods. Plus, there's access to EU free trade agreements, giving businesses a cost advantage. And of course, opportunities to re-export goods with significant tax savings. If you're in logistics, shipping, or supply chain management, the Canary Islands can be a tax-efficient trade hub for your operations. Number 8. Providing business services to ZEC companies. As more businesses relocate to the Canary Islands to take advantage of the ZEC tax benefits, there is a huge demand for business services. If you have expertise in accounting, legal services, human resources, IT, or marketing, you can create a profitable business by catering to ZEC-registered companies. Companies entering the ZEC often need assistance with corporate structuring, tax compliance, employee recruitment, and digital marketing to expand their reach. By positioning yourself as a service provider specializing in the ZEC, you can charge premium rates while taking advantage of the tax benefits yourself. Additionally, setting up a consulting firm that helps international businesses navigate the ZEC requirements could be highly profitable, as more companies seek tax-friendly jurisdictions. Number 9. Creating a FinTech or blockchain company. The Canary Islands have been gaining attention as a hub for financial technology, or FinTech, and blockchain companies. With ZEC's low corporate tax rates and access to EU financial markets, launching a crypto exchange blockchain-based payment solution or decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, company can be highly lucrative. Governments worldwide are increasing regulations on cryptocurrency, making tax-friendly jurisdictions like the Canary Islands attractive to blockchain entrepreneurs. Companies dealing in digital assets, smart contracts, and cross-border payments can leverage the ZEC benefits while remaining compliant with European financial regulations. If you have expertise in financial technology, blockchain development, or digital banking, this is a great opportunity to build a profitable and scalable business in a tax-efficient way. Number 10. Launching a tourism or hospitality business. Tourism is the largest industry in the Canary Islands, with millions of international visitors coming every year for its warm climate, luxury resorts, and adventure tourism. This makes it a prime opportunity for profitability in the hospitality sector. Investing in a boutique hotel, vacation rental business, ecotourism retreat, or a luxury yacht rental company can generate high returns, especially with ZEC tax savings. Since tourism-based businesses require employment, they naturally meet the job creation requirements of the ZEC. By targeting high-spending travelers and offering premium services like private island experiences, VIP travel packages, and wellness retreats, you can position your business in a lucrative niche while benefiting from the 4% corporate tax rate. Number 11. Setting up a renewable energy company. The Canary Islands are rich in natural resources for solar and wind energy, and the government is actively promoting renewable energy projects. Entrepreneurs who establish solar farms, wind energy companies, or biofuel projects can take advantage of government grants, subsidies, and tax reductions under the ZEC. Energy demand continues to rise as more international businesses and remote workers relocate to the islands, creating a growing market for clean energy solutions. By launching a sustainable energy startup, you can profit from long-term contracts, government incentives, and environmentally conscious investors while contributing to global energy transformation. Number 12. Developing an R&D or tech startup. Spain offers significant tax benefits and funding incentives for research and development companies, and the Canary Islands provide an ideal tax-efficient base for tech startups. Whether you're working in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, software development, or engineering, establishing an R&D-focused company under the ZEC allows you to benefit from lower corporate taxes on intellectual property and innovation profits, access to EU research funding and grants, and tax credits for reinvesting profits into further R&D. By partnering with universities and research institutions in Spain, your company can qualify for additional funding, making it a prime location for tech-based innovation. Number 13. Offering language and education services. With an influx of foreign entrepreneurs, digital nomads, and expats relocating to the Canary Islands, there is a high demand for language education and business training services. Setting up an international business school, an online education platform, or an English and Spanish language academy can be a profitable venture. Entrepreneurs relocating to the ZEC often need Spanish language skills to integrate and do business locally, while locals seek business and tech training to work in international markets. Additionally, offering corporate training services for newly established businesses in the ZEC can create a high-income consulting business with tax advantages. Number 14. Establishing an online bank or financial services firm. The financial sector is evolving, and many FinTech startups and online banking institutions are seeking tax-friendly jurisdictions to operate from. The Canary Islands provide an excellent base for neobank startups, online lending services, and digital asset management companies. ZEC-registered financial institutions can operate under Spain's regulatory framework while benefiting from lower taxes. This allows companies to offer financial services to international clients at competitive rates, utilize Spain's extensive network of international banking agreements, and create digital solutions for cross-border transactions, loans, and wealth management. If you have a background in finance, banking, or digital payments, launching a financial services firm in the Canary Islands can be a highly profitable venture. Number 15. Buying and flipping businesses in the ZEC. For those who prefer to acquire existing businesses rather than start from scratch, the Canary Islands offer a golden opportunity to buy and flip companies for profit. Some entrepreneurs start businesses in the ZEC, but later decide to sell for personal or strategic reasons. If you have experience in business development, operations, or turnaround strategies, you can purchase underperforming businesses, optimize them, and resell for a significant profit. The benefits of this strategy include acquiring tax-advantaged businesses that already meet ZEC requirements, increasing profitability through better management marketing and efficiency improvements, and selling the business at a premium to investors seeking a tax-efficient operation in the EU. By focusing on high-growth industries like tech, renewable energy, tourism, and financial services, flipping businesses in the Canary Islands can be an extremely lucrative strategy. The Canary Islands Special Economic Zone, or ZEC, is one of the most underrated financial opportunities in Europe. With one of the lowest corporate tax rates in the EU at 4%, no withholding taxes on dividends, and access to European trade agreements, this is a goldmine for entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners. From starting a ZEC business, investing in local startups, launching fintech and blockchain ventures, entering the real estate market, or flipping businesses, There are many ways to generate wealth while minimizing tax burdens. If you're an entrepreneur or investor looking for a strategic business hub with low taxes and high growth potential, the Canary Islands should be on your radar. Which of these 15 profit strategies interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with anyone looking for tax-friendly business opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more money in your